Hi, I'm Vitanis. Today, I will show you how to use Shadowrocket with Oxylabs Proxies, what settings to choose, and how to test your newly set up proxy. Let's begin. First, we'll have to download the Shadowrocket application from the Apple Store. You can find the link to the download page in the video description below. Now, we can begin setting up a proxy server on Shadowrocket. Open the application and select Add Server. Then, click on Type and select HTTP protocol. Now, you'll need to enter proxy and authentication details. To use our residential proxies, in the address field, enter pr.oxylabs.io and then next to port type in 7777. After that, enter your Oxylabs sub-user's username and password. Note that you have to use customer hyphen before your actual username. If you have whitelisted IPs, you do not need to pass login credentials. Additionally, you can use country-specific entries to connect to the desired location. For example, to access a United Kingdom residential proxy, in the address field, enter gb-pr.oxylabs.io and in the port field, enter 20,000. In the description below, you can find our documentation regarding country-specific entries. To use our shared data center proxies, in the address field, enter dc.pr.oxylabs.io. Next, in the port field, you have to enter 10,000, and then type in your Oxylabs sub-user's credentials as mentioned previously. Here you can also use country-specific entries. For instance, to access a Canada-based proxy, within the address field, enter dc.ca-pr.oxylabs.io and in the port field, type in 34,000. Please refer to our documentation in the description below for a complete list of country-specific entries. To use our dedicated data center proxies, first you need to make sure you are using the correct protocol within the type field. According to your purchase, choose HTTP or SOCKS 5. Then, next to the address field, enter the IP address from the acquired list, and in the port field, enter 60,000. Afterward, use your Oxylabs sub-user's credentials. You can find our documentation in the description below with more information regarding proxy lists. Click Done to save these settings. Now we can test the connection of the proxy. Simply click on the Connectivity Test button and the latency of your connection will appear in green next to the Proxy tab. As you can see, it's 36 milliseconds for me. Let's connect the proxy by clicking on the slider next to the tab that says Not Connected. Click OK to install a VPN profile and click Allow to add Shadowrocket to VPN configurations. After that, enter your device passcode. Now, you can start browsing the web without exposing your IP address. Thank you for watching Shadowrocket Proxy Integration Guide. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or email us at hello@oxylabs.io. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more user-friendly content. Thank you and see you later.